Hello, my name is Sumanta Mukhopadhyay. I am associated with this refractory industry for a long time now, almost like 29 years. There are three things which I find particularly interesting about this industry. First thing is the fact that refractory is basically responsible for success of all metallic and non-metallic industrial manufacturing process, but it always takes a backseat. Second thing what I find is that our users, they have limited knowledge on how we produce, what we use in our material, etc. However, they have huge expectation from what they are going to produce. So they expect us to be expert in their manufacturing process. They expect us to recommend and improve the optimization of their manufacturing process, reduce their costs, etc. And that's sort of a growth, I would say. Third part is, I find many interesting people like that in this industry who are experts and very difficult to find their replacement when finally they leave. We felt at Dalmia-OCL the need to increase or improve the users' knowledge about the refractories, and with this view in mind, we started publishing a magazine, Refractory Bits. I had been editing this Refractory Bits for 4 years now, and we have got very good response. My expectation from WRA would be that it would provide a forum for the like-minded people associated with refractory industry to share knowledge. To do that, probably webinars can be arranged at a regular interval where experts can express their opinion, which can be debated, because everyone, this is a developing industry, everyone will have a different kind of experience on many things.